So, about to do my birthday makeup. Going to moisturize. I look so tired, but it's gonna change. Okay, let's do my eyebrows really quick with my eyebrow pencil. All right, now let's conceal. Whew, that's concealed right there. I'm not gonna do the top. I'm gonna keep it, you know, very light since this is a daytime look. Let's start the eyes. For the eyes, I'm concealing with my Fenty Beauty 345. Alright, we're going to be dabbing into the Morphe 3503 Fierce by Nature. This is literally like my favorite palette now. So, I'm going to transition with a very light orange and then just play around with it. Let's prime the face. I'm using my Morphe foundation in F4 120, my favorite foundation so far in the history of foundations. Coverage, honey, that coverage. Bad. Alright, I'm gonna let that sit for a good minute because I gotta get those those creases out. Alright, so let me quickly contour here. Contour stick I'm using, the best. I want to look extra contour today because it's my birthday, you know, and I've been eating a lot, so it'll help. Oh yeah, right there. So I'm gonna do this light blue wool color in my waterline so it can match the actual pant itself. Oh, that's so cute. Now I'm gonna do some liner. This is my Fenty Beauty liquid liner pencil. And let's bronze with Mocha Mommy by Fenty Beauty. Put it right on top of the contour. Really saturated in here. Is love. There we go. All right. And last but not least, highlight. Girl, killed that face. All right, last but not least is, all right, now I'm gonna do fresh, cause you know, I'm feeling real good, feeling real fresh, you know. BerryFae Beauty, of course. Ooh, yes. Okay, now I'm gonna fix my hair. Off. So we're adding mousse to get the curls back popping in this hair. And as you can see, this is gonna be my favorite, like everyday wig from now on. This, I feel like it suits me so much. Make sure all portion stays moist enough. Alright, so hair is done. Oh, let me fix it. Makeup done, honey.
Oh my god. Zoom out, zoom. BerryFae Beauty right there. Look at them lips. Wow. Look at that. Your battery is going dead.
It's okay, I got 3.
Look at that blinky blinky.
Who, me?
Ooh, she done greased the hair, whatever the term is.
I just moussed it. All you gotta do is wet this hair. And it's like,
Mousse the hair. Hey, so you looking all dolled up, girl.
it's a birthday, so you know.